In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching AI Gallery. Following that, select photos or albums and decide which ones you wish to delete. When you're ready, hold one of them and click on this icon at the top right corner. If you want to keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!